Gitna. Laure, one of the products of that very, very fine junior program, UST, scoring that time. UST needs to steal a set here to change the mood of this game. There's no question. It's not just adjustment of the game. They got to go out and win a set here. But NU, they're happy they took that second. They didn't play particularly well in the second set.
Actually, parang the way I see it, NU medyo mukhang nangangapa.
I agree. Yeah.
So it's not the usual game that they have.
Save for Myla Pablo, who was their savior in the second set, with those blocks and those spikes that managed to find the target. Here we go, continuing with the third set. Double block. That is dead in the water.
Din Santiago trying to, give instructions to Ivy Perez on how they need to adjust.
Mababa ng konti ang set,
actually,
mababa.
One advantage of having a player as tall as Dindin and as tall as Jaja is that hindi mo kailangan iset ng mababa. They're very tall players, and the higher you set, the higher you give the set, mas lalong iibabaw yan.
There's time for the ball to find some kind of direction when you're tossing to those tall sisters. In the meantime, that's off somebody, but USD manages to keep it in play. Laura leaps into it.
No coverage here for NU. And once again, it has been those, off-speed drop shots. Yun ang pumapatay sa NU at the moment.
Energy Laure. Coach Macar, I know her because it's Macaro. Is telling us that she has a sister who's actually taller than her.
Younger.
Taller and younger.
Yes.
Wow.
So still another
Laure
player to watch
forward,
out for. Yun yung maganda rin siguro like in the volleyball, right? You see siblings, really getting into the sport.
Oh, I'm sure you know about that, ano?
Oh, yes. Actually, nga nakakatawa, like before when we were in high school, it's like a sibling team. Lahat kami teammates magkakapatid. So pare-pareho ang apelido.
Don't you like the facial expression of Meneses kanina? Joyful niya. Ano siya,
all
no?
business,
Seryoso.
yeah.
Huli kita uli. Saan ka pupunta?
Perfect timing there from Meneses, who now has 8 points. 5 from attack and 3 from blocks.
Shakey's for Fun Family Pizza. It's got to be Shakey's. That is out of reach for Ivy Perez. 6-0 USD.
And NU having problems with the reception, both at the service reception and even in floor defense.
Juan Ariel de la Cruz is now the one calling the shots for NU. He needs a timeout. Let's slide. Here's the veteran. She's a guest player now with the squad. Perez. Nicely done by both Rasmussen and the attacker there. Aganon, and this one is on target.
Laure scoring again for UST. That is her point number 13.
Nice. Giddy up step. Mala.
She has the full approach, the full swing, full approach.
Wala lang nung awkward first step ni Rachel Andakis, pero andun yung same gallop. Pick up, Perez goes again. Oh, that is a source of points.
Now they are putting in Sullivan for NU, replacing Ivy Perez, so she would be performing setting duties now for NU. This is another adjustment here from Coach Dong.
Let's see how this turns out. Adjustment in the air. Laure had to apply the brakes lest she step over to the other side. Huli. Myla Pablo was caught in the act there. Here's an easy push. Rasmus has been playing well. Laure. Parang sinasabi niya sa bola, wag kang babalik. Wag kang babalik.
Yung mga girls niya from her, and sabi niya yun daw ang nakakatulong sa kanila para dito sa young team. Balik sa inyo?
That is so obvious. And Ivy, your point about the blocking, Laura, and the blocking with Meneses leading the way is really helpful.
That's right. So that, that blocking at the front ng itong UST, that actually agitated NU a bit. Parang medyo nawala ng konti yung NU na hindi, they had to adjust in terms of their offense.
Parang bang nakakawapoys, nakakainis. Oh, look at this. Aganon ended up sprawled. 10-1. Totoo ba to?
And then again, I repeat, it has been a drop shot.
Oo.
No, that has
Oo.
been killing NU.
Laure has been there for a while.
Oh, it's straight
boy.
into the net.
When you mention it happens, just happens. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's League. 10-2 is the count here, third set. Boy, the young lady's been put to an acid test here today.
Good serve there from Indian.
Pag pumasok yung serve niya, exact yun. But when it is messed up, she's the first one to be, oh, be careful. And that messes up our whole table here.
Actually, I think that would have gone outside already.
Sullivan, well, volleyball, don't tell volleyball players it's bad. They'll just go for it, no?
Yeah. You know, habang nakaangat pa yung bola, habulin yan.
Hanggat nasa taas ng area, gagawa ng paraan niya. Here's Maribek Meneses. Oh! I thought it would go out, but it's a good thing General was there. In play. Lumusot yun, ha? Lumusot pala yun.
Everything going USD's way here in set number 3.
Now this is going to be a test for NU. Can we come back? This is not yet out of reach. Sullivan adjusting. And Sullivan, boy, she didn't know what hit her. They need Perez back. This is a good change. Nice respite for Perez, but they need him. Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's League.
This is a very long lead for USD.
Oh, yes, indeed. 13-2. Nice serve. Nag-load sa bumipit-bipit pa. Inside.
USD so far has been performing in all areas here in set number 3. They have 5 points from attack. They had 2 points from blocking, 2 service aces. And NU so far had just 2 attack points.
Yes. That is totally lifeless. Suddenly it's 13-4. Bonji Mamon is working on Carmela Tunay. Trying to yell at his captain. Check myself. It is already Dancel Dusaran serving as the libero for USD. Carmela's not here today, huh? Espinosa.
Oh, that did not go over.
Hindi kumapang. 13-5. Boy, this is not easy for USD. Suddenly lumamang NU ito.
Aganon for the serve. Serve is good.
Sarah, Lastimosa, mukhang malakas.
Oh, that's a violation called against NU. Net violation error. Lucky break here for USD.
Sama ng tama, kinikwento ni Pamela, tumama sa dulo ng daliri niya.
Carmela Tunay being encouraged by Coach Oji para may pasok lang itong serve.
It's like your big brother is watching over you, huh? Ordas. Laura with a faulty toss. Carmela pushes it over in a little bit of a free ball. Block. Santiago is marked. They go the other way. Yes!
Both Santiago sisters, actually, I would say, Sep Tapaka, they have been marked. USD really working double time to defend against these two sisters.
And it's a good thing for Perez as she's going to Pablo. Dito tayo, mag-open tayo. Nababasa tayo sa gitna eh. 14-6. Miss hit. Palek ended up swimming in the air. Bonji Mamon wants to make a change. He's looking at his numbers. Shakey's for North Family Pizza. It's got to be Shakey's. Sides against it. He'll keep Palek on the floor. It seems that way. Bad toss, but they'll give a free ball here. Minsan smart lang yung free ball. Aha!
Perez taking matters in their own hands.
Binalutan, ano? Teka muna, nagdadala ako ng baon. Subukan niyo.
Exactly.
Ayaw niya matayin yung set.
Exactly.
Lusaran. Rhea. Lastimosa is hijacked. It is out of reach. Bonji Mamon wants to make a change in the lineup. can't get the player in on time. 9:14, and you're beginning to catch confidence here.
They go to Lastimosa once again and
Finally.
score the point.
Pam has been trying very hard. Medyo nabablank kasi off timing siya. Finally, she got to deliver to sa particular shot na yun. 15-9 ang buwang bilang natin. Perez. Oh, outside. May balot na gigil din yan, ano?